sorry about that. I had a little malfunction there. So we have back to this one. This is overlapping, and we have 4 out of 8 plus the 4 out of 8 that are shaded and less than 5. And then remember that we're going to be subtracting the overlap. So when you have overlapping, you're going to be subtracting that overlap. So there's 2 that are shaded less than 5. So we have 4 plus 4, 8 minus 2 is going to be 6 out of the 8. We could divide both the top and the bottom by 2 to give us 3 over 4. This would be 0.75 or 75%. Not sure if you guys are putting them in percentages or not, or decimals. Even number or a multiple of 6. So an even number out of the 8. We have 2, 4, 6, 8. 4. And then a multiple of 6. So the multiples of 6, we have 2 and 3, 1 and 6. So that would be 4. Minus what even numbers 2 and 6 are even numbers. So we're going to subtract those 2 out of the 8. So once again, we're going to be with 6 over 8 equals 3/4. This equals 0.75 or 75%. Okay. Even number or shaded number. And this is going to be disjoint. It's not going. They don't overlap at all. So you're going to have 4 out of 8 plus 4 out of 8. That's going to be 8 out of 8, or a 100% chance of getting something shaded or not shaded. Makes sense. All right, just to do some of the odd ones, every other one, I want you to try some of the ones on your own. 50 tickets are sold for a raffle. You buy 2 tickets and your friend buys 3 tickets. 1 ticket is randomly chosen as the winning ticket. What is the probability that you or your friend wins the raffle? Okay, so that's that 2 out of 50 plus the 3 out of 50 is going to equal the 5 out of 50 or 0.1 or the 10%. Okay, there's your 2 out of 50, your friend buys a 3. Okay, we're good. Disjointed, so we just put them together. For number 9, we have some overlapping to deal with. So with all this information about 52 deck of cards, the one thing that you got to remember is that they're calling aces face cards. So, right here, ace counts as a face card. So the probability out of picking out of a deck of cards, diamonds, which there are 13 of each suit, so 13 out of 52 would be the diamonds. Plus, when you see that or, think plus a face card. Now, how many face cards are there? There's 1, 2, 3, 4. And there are 4 different suits, so 4 times 4 is 16. But you got to subtract the face cards that are diamonds, and there's going to be 4 of them. There's a jack, queen, king, and ace, so minus the 4. So you end up with 25 over 52. If you just divide 25 divided by 52, you end up getting 0.48 or 48%. And then number 11, a club or not a face card. So a club, there's 13 of each suit. So that's going to be 13 out of the 52. Not a face card. So there are 16 face cards we found out up here in number 9 in a full deck of cards. Not a face card would be 52 minus 16, which would be 36. Now, clubs that aren't a face card, there's going to be 9 of them because there's 13 of them and 4 are face cards, so there's 9 left. So you subtract the 9. And so you get 40 over 52 or 0.77 or 77%. Okay. Hopefully this was helpful to you, and good luck on the ones that you're doing on your own.